Hi guys, today we are going to learn basic structure of C program. See guys, every program have some rules to develop. Before going to construct a program, we need to know the basic concept of structure of C, okay? In this have some instructions or sections. Those are many types, but the main sections are 6 types. Those are documentation, link section, definition section, global declaration, main function, and finally subprogram, okay? Let's discuss each in detail. Documentation section. Suppose the programmer wants to give information about their code or program, this section will helpful. But it is not mandatory guys, it is like comment on a program. Like what is the content of your program? In case when someone will see your program, they will get full of clarity by seeing this section, okay? This section seems to be two kinds. One is single line comment and multi-line comment, okay? In multi-line comment, you can write aim of your program. What is the main content of your program? Like that, okay? Time of coding, on which date you are developing this program, and author name, who was writing this program, and finally description. If you want to declare anything regarding to your code into the description, you can describe, okay? But friends, this section will not understand computer, and also it can't be executed. If the machine will not understand, then what is the use of this section? Yes, my friends, I have already discussed. If someone will see your program, they can understand easily by these comments lines, okay? In other case, if you will see this program after a long period of time, within a seconds you can find what is the content behind of this your program. This is the main concept of documentation section. This is how the multi-line section appears. First, file name as area of circle.c. We have to save this program as area of circle.c. Okay, this is a C program, that's why we are declaring as .c. Author Sheikh, like who is writing this program. Time of coding, on which date you are written this program, and description, a program to calculate area of circle. And you can add many of things you want to, okay? Like a user needs to enter the radius. Here this is a multi-line comment section, and this is single comment line, okay? Next one is link section, where we will discuss this now. This section tells to the compiler to link up the header files to the standard libraries. Here many kind of libraries are available. Those are math, console, C, etc, etc. We will discuss this in upcoming videos, right? Here header files is nothing but some of the functions which are grouped and stored into a different files. I am repeating once again guys, header files is nothing but some of functions which are already grouped and stored into a different files. That files is nothing but header files, okay? Remember one thing guys, this section is also called pre-procedure directive. Pre-procedure directive, okay? Move on to the next bit, definition section. This section is defined all symbolic constants. Now the question arises is, what is this symbolic constants? It's a name that substitute for a sequence of characters. That means those are numeric, character or string constant. I have already discussed this concept in my previous videos. You can check once, okay? Now these constants are generally defined at the beginning of the program, like define pi as 3.14, define max as 10, define ch as b, define name as Sheikh. This is how to declare definition section, okay? Next, here I was written definition section. I am defining some functions here, symbolic functions. Those are pi equals to 3.14, okay? This is the define section. If you don't want to declare this section, directly you can write here as pi equals to 3.14. I am declaring this pi value as inside the main function as local variable. If you want to declare this as global variable, you can define here as pi equals to 3.14. That will be declared as global variable. we will discuss what is global variable and local variable on to the next. Okay.